How to create a new Gmail on your PC. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily create a new Gmail on your PC. So the very first thing that you want to do is go ahead and open up your Google Chrome or any web browser you have. And then from here, you just want to tap on your profile icon and then tap on Add Account. Once you do this, you can either sign into your existing account or create a new one. To create a new one, click right here, and it will ask you for personal use, for your child, or for work or business. I'm just going to choose the personal use one. Then you'll just have to enter your name, your last name, and then hit enter. It will ask you for your date of birth, so you will just have to enter your date of birth, and once you do that, you can select your gender as well. Then once you do that, click on next. Now, by default, it will suggest you few of the email address, or if you like to create your own email address, you can do that as well. Once you do that, click on next. And if the email address is unique, then it will allow you to pass through this next step. Here you will just have to enter your password. And once you do that, you will just have to confirm your password right here. And after confirming, you will just have to hit on next. And once you do that, your new email address will be created. So that is pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.